Hello my wonderful people, I welcome you all to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, you are welcome to Akudo's kitchen. In today's video, I will show you how to make banana pancakes. Please, after watching, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. The ingredients that we'll be needing for today's pancakes are 450 grams of flour, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 200 milliliters of milk, 3 bananas and 3 whole eggs. In here I have the bananas, the milk, the eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to blend everything together. After blending it, pour it into your bowl. Add in vegetable oil. Then sieve in your flour. Add your baking powder and finally your salt and mix everything together. I am done mixing it. Remember, I did not add any sugar to it because I want it to have that banana flavor. Pour a bit of oil into your pan. Add in the butter. When you see bubbles forming, then you know that it is time to turn it over. Repeat the same process until you are done with all of them. This is the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching till the end. See you next time. Bye.